Hi everyone. So today we will be studying about Sutherland Hedgeman polygon clipping algorithm, which is mainly used for polygon clipping. So let's assume before we start with the clipping, we should define a window, clipping window. Assume this is our object now. So there are 4 steps, and each step we need to apply 4 cases. Fine. Okay, the 4 steps are left clip. So when we do a left clip with this, the output means this with respect to this left line of the clipping window. If we do the left clip operation, whatever the polygon content edge that falls outside of this window, left line of this window will be clipped. So the output looks like this. When this has been passed as an input to the right clip, so the right side portion of this will be clipped. So the output looks like this, and this has to be given as an input to the top clip, in which the top portion of this polygon will be clipped. The output looks like this, and this has to be fed as an input to the bottom clip, and the output looks like this. So this is the final yield. Until unless it's compulsory mandatory that we have to follow all these 4 steps to get the final yield. So let us take an cases that we have to apply for each and every step. There are 4 cases. How actually the algorithm finds that this portion has to be clipped in the left clip, and in the right clip this portion has to be clipped. There's a logic. Let me say it as a case. Consider the window. Consider the case where with respect to left clip I am taking just a scenario. So this is out region and this is in region. Say there is an edge passing from out to in, V1 to V2 in this direction. In that case, the output will be, in out to in case, the output will be, I have to take V1 dash and V2, that is the intersection point of this V1 dash and V2 as the vertices. If in case the edge is moving from in to out, from inside to outside, that is V1 V2 in this way. So the output will be the intermediate point of this, that is V1 dash. Assume a case in which a line is falling inside the clipping window itself. So V1 to V2 in this direction, and this is the out and this is the in portion of the window. So if it is in, then I have to take the second vertex V2. As it take the, let's consider the last case, wherein which if this is the out region and in region of the window, and if the line is falling here V1 and V2 in, that is from out to out, so we won't be saving or considering any vertices here. So we need to apply all these 4 cases to the all 4 steps, that is left clip, right clip, top clip and bottom clip. I'll just say once again, consider the window. If there is an edge from out to in, that is moving from outside window to inside window, in that case I have to take the intermediate vertex v1 dash and v2. If the edge is moving from inside to outside window, from inside of the window to outside, that is v1 to v2, I have to take the first intermediate vertex, that is v1 dash. If the edge is moving inside the window itself, that is in the direction v1 to v2, then I have to take the second vertex v2. The last case is if there is an edge, polygon edge, that is outside the window, falling completely. If it is falling outside the window, then we won't be saving any vertices. Let's take a complex example. From exam point of view, yes, you can solve this example. That is, kindly solve this. V1, V2 and V3. You can solve this. The reason why I am taking the complex example here is it helps you to understand in a better manner, and in detail you'll get to know what are the complexity that lies in each and every cases. So let's take an example of, take a new sheet. Let's take an example of something like this. Consider this as an example. So let me redraw it neatly. V2, V3, V4, V1, consider this example. Okay, so let's begin with the step 1, that is the left clip. Consider a window, draw the window again. I'm just redrawing it again. Fine. Assume I am performing a left clip now. So if I perform a left clip, so this will be my out region, this and this will be the in region. Fine. Consider all the edges now. V1, V2, V2, V3, V3, V4, V4, V5, V5 and V1. V1, V2, that is, as we have seen, it is moving from V1 to V2. It is moving from in to in itself, because this is the out region and this is the in region. So V1 to V2, it is moving in region itself. So if that is the case, if it is in, then I have to take the second vertex, that is v2. v2 to v3, v2 to v3. This is also it's an edge that is falling inside the window, means with respect to left clip. So this is in, this is out. So v2 to v3, it is in itself, so it is falling in region where I have written in. So if it is in, then I have to take the second vertex, that is v3. v3 to v4, so it is in to in, so output will be v4. v4 to v5, it is from in to out. If it is from in to out, I have to take the first vertex intermediate, that is v4 dash. So where should I take the v4 dash now? Here or here? I'm speaking with respect to this boundary line, so this will be my v4 dash, not this, because with respect to this boundary edge line we are checking in and out, so it is v4 dash falls here. v5 and v1, v5 and v1, so that is from out to in. Out to in is out v5 dash and v1, so your v5 dash will be here. Fine. So consider these coordinates now. v2, v3, v4, v4 dash, next v5 dash, which is falling here. Next v5 dash and v1, that is this. Fine. So let's take the right clip operation now. So what happens? So for the right clip, take all the edges, that is v1, v2, v2, v3, v3, v4, v4, v4 dash, v4 dash, v5 dash, v5 dash and v1. So v1, v2, since this is a right clip, so this will be in and this will be out region now. So v1, v2, this is moving from in to out. If it is in to out, then we have to take the inner vertex intermediate. I have to draw here, not here, because this is my cutting boundary, v1 dash. So it will be v1 dash. v2 to v3, it is from out to in. If it is out to in, then the first vertex intermediate and second vertex we have to take, that is v2 dash and v3. So it will be here, v2 dash and v3. v3, v4, v3, v4, it is falling inside this, so it will be v3, v4 will be v4. That is, if it is in and in, I have to take the second vertex. v4, v4 dash, v4, v4 dash, again it is falling in, so I have to take v4 dash, v4 dash, v5, v4 dash, v5, both are lying in, so I have to take v5 dash, v5 dash and v1, v5 dash, and V1 both are in to in. So if that is the case, I have to take V1. So these are the vertices now. Let's draw it now. V1 dash, V2 dash, V3, V4, V4 dash, then V5, V1. So on this I have to perform the top clip now. Consider all the edges now. V1, V1 dash, V1 dash, V2 dash. There's a logic in order to write the edges. Rather than looking at the figure, we can do in this way. V1, V1 dash, V1 dash, V2 dash, V2 dash, V3, V2 dash, V3, V3, V4, V4, V4 dash, V4 dash, V5 dash, V5 dash and V1. Fine. So V1, V1 dash. Now since this is a top clip, so this will be out and this will be in region now. So V1, V1 dash, V1, V1 dash, it is falling inside the region now. So if it is in, then it should be the second vertex, that is V1 dash, V1 dash, V2 dash, V1 dash, V2 dash. This is falling inside, so I have to take the second vertex V2 dash, V2 dash, V3. Since it is falling into in, I have to take the second vertex V3, V3, V4, V3, V4. It is moving from into out. If it is from into out, I have to take the inner vertex intersection, that is V3 dash, that is here V3 dash. Fine. V4, V4 dash, V4, V4 dash. It is moving from out to in. If it is moving from out to in, then outer point intersection and the second vertex, that is V4 dash, sorry, it is V4, V4 dash. Outer point intersection, I can't take V4 dash again here because it is already named. So in that case, I'll take this as V4 double dash. So V4 double dash and V4 dash, V4 dash and V5. Since they both are falling inside of this, I'll take V5 dash, V5 dash and V1. Again, it is just a V1, that is the second vertex. So we'll just quickly draw it now. So what are the vertex? V1 dash. So here it is V1 dash, V2 dash, V3, then V3 dash, then V4 double dash, then V4 dash, that is this, then V5 dash, that is here, and V1. This is how it looks. So for this I have to perform bottom clip operation. So I'll just draw the region. So this will be my, so this will be the in region and this will be the out region. So consider the edges now. I'll take V1, V1 dash, V1, V1 dash, V1 dash, V2 dash, V2 dash, V3, v3, v3 dash, v3 dash, v4 double dash, v4 double dash, v4 dash, v4 dash, v5 dash, and v5 dash, v1. So v1 dash, since they are falling inside the region, so I'll take the second vertex v1 and v1 dash, v1 and v1 dash. It is from out to in. If it is from an out to in, then I have to take outside point intersection and second point, that is v here, this intersection. I'll name this as v1 double dash and the second point. So v1 dash, v2 dash, v1 dash, v2 dash, since it is falling in, I'll just take v2 dash, v2 dash, v3. So I'll take v3, v3 dash, v3. So this is v3 dash, v3 dash, v double 4 dash. It's both are in. So I'll take v4 double dash, v4 double dash and v1 dash. It is lying in. So I'll take v4 dash, v4 dash and v5 dash. So there's, it is from into out. If it is into out, first vertex intersection I have to take, that is v4 intersection, that is this.